Alright, so Petey Pat sat down at Best Bet.
And I'll be right back. I'll be here, Gene.
And she got a bonus round.
We never get that.
All right, here we
so
go.
is that a good? That's
Petey Pat's
good.
being camera shy. She doesn't want to be on film.
Nah, I'm
So.
ugly. I can't do it today. Well, I'm always ugly.
Oh, shush.
You should.
New trigger. It's a good thing for because your first spin sucked.
I know.
I'll put you on film.
You just behave. Ready?
We are.
Oh, it goes itself.
It goes all by its lonesome.
Do it. Oh, well.
Big hit on nines.
Well, what are we betting? 5? Hey, let's get a coin, right?
Yes.
Yeah, a coin. Knock, knock. Coin. Oh. Oh, come on. What's the... Oh, don't. Coin. Re-trigger.
Well, it owes us that because the first few spins sucked.
And I think that's where you're wrong. It owes us.
It did. It owes us because it was mean. Still mean. Oh. Still being mean.
What?
It tens are mean.
We need a coin. Correct, Mundo?
Yep. Smack that button. There it is. Good job.
Coin.
I got a wild. Smack that button. Give us something good. Stupid. Stupid.
What's that?
Cars. That's
Is
wild.
that wild?
Yeah. That should have took us up to 100. $143 hair bonus. Good job, Trish. Is that a double? Hey, that's a double.
It's a double bet.
No, there's no butts and
There's
doubles.
prove it.